Hello friends, in this video let's try to move a piece using our mouse. Okay, so excited, right? And yeah, we don't worry about this one for now, so that's coming out of this garbage, right? We don't want to see that. Okay, hide that. We can even hide this part, so there's no warning here. Okay, now how can we use this information, right? We need to call our model function inside the chessboard here, move piece. Okay, so we'll use some like good design practice, so we don't, the view cannot see, right? The view cannot see the model object directly, so we use a delegate, a protocol. We'll define our own protocol here. Now let's do it. So you'll see how it works, right? New file. Oh, now this is our third, the first data type we create. We already create data type class, struct, and enum. This one will be protocol. Okay, so let's select macOS Swift file. Next, so we'll use name. We can use our MacChessDelegate. The idea is similar to, there's a delegate, app delegate, something like that here, right? This guy, the delegate. Okay, so what is our delegate? So protocol, like that. We use the same name, MacChessDelegate. Okay, so in delegate, right? In the protocol, we define a method. Expect that in argument list. So we'll define the function without the body. So function move, for example, we'll define, this is like a contract. So we create a signature of our contract or protocol function move piece. Yeah, from column int, from row int to column int, right? And to row int. That's it. That we don't need the body. We cannot put it here, I think, and we don't need that. Yeah, so that's it. So command B to compile. Make sure, yeah, there's no syntax error. Yeah, and Xcode is happy with that. How do we use that? So whoever promised, right, to implement this protocol has to implement this method, this function. Okay, who is this guy? Our view controller. So how to promise, right, implementing that protocol? We use this one, MacChessDelegate. Okay, now wait for a few seconds. You see, auto fix, because we promised we will provide the implementation of that. So you see, it just generated a stop, right? The function stop. Okay, so this is the default location, so we don't like that. We'll put it somewhere. What is let's put it here. Okay, yeah. Now how can we implement that, right? So the view controller is the controller, the controller MVC, the C of the MVC. So our model, right? This guy knows how to make a move. So we just delegate the function call, right, to this guy here, right? Dot move piece, right? We just pass down the information like that, right? 2 column, 2 row. Yeah. Now after the movement, right, we need to force repaint of our view, right? So you see the view controller is the middleman, right? The middleman coordinates with the model and the view. So inside this middleman, we call the model to change, right? To change its state, to make the move. Then we send a message to BoardView to repaint it. Set needs display. Can we delete that? Set needs display. Oh, okay. Missing argument. Unasrect. So can we put a nil here? Because we don't need this in our nope. Okay, so let's use BoardView dot bounds. Can we do that? Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so now this one is ready, and it means this one can be a delegate, right? Can be our delegate. Now we can define the delegate in our view here. So let's say ChessDelegate. The data type is our MacChessDelegate. This guy, right? Question mark. It means it's allowed to be nil. Yeah. So initially it is nil. Okay. Now when it is not nil, here. At the beginning of that, we'll set BoardView.ChessDelegate. No, it doesn't pop up. So Command B to trigger the comparison. Now try again. ChessDelegate. Yeah, equals who? Self, right? Because the object of this guy has no member. Oh, Command B again. Yeah, that's no problem. Okay, now we can use this delegate, right? So after the view did load, this one is not nil. It will be the object of view controller. So now at this moment, when we lift our mouse, we can call our ChessDelegate dot move piece. Now it's happy time to pass in the information we detect from the mouse event. And the 2 column. Oh no, here is just column and the row. Yeah, those 2 local stuff, right? Local stuff. Okay, now let's try it. Run it. Can we move it back? No. Try this one. Oh, what happened? The ChessDelegate move piece Okay, now let's go back to view controller. So we'll call this one view did load, so the delegate is not nil. And oh, do you know what? We forgot to update the shadow piece box like that. Right after we make the move, we need that. Okay, now try it again. So let's move this back, this piece, okay, this pawn, move it back. Yes, right, it works. Now this, okay. And what about let's do this guy here. Yes, it works. Okay, cool. Move one step. Nice, right? So in our next video we can try dragging, right, animation. So now we can move it, right? No problem to move it, yeah, without following the game rule, but it can, yeah. Anyway, so that's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.